Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to edit text in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your file or document, then select the text layer or group, then select text layer, then double click the text for edit layer name and edit text. Double click for middle and see this backspace and type your text. Again double click and increase the size, change the color, add effect 3D or outline, outer glow, drop shadow, double click and see this text character. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.